Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatima Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of chapter 15, creative question answer 1-2. I am repeating, today our topic is creative question answer 1-2 from chapter 15. Students, this is our 19th lecture and 19th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 19th lecture and 19th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about creative question answer 1-2 from chapter 15 and you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Chapter 15, creative question answer. Here is our first STQ, and I'm reading the stem. Nirupama has learned sewing with the help of her elder sister and is really interested in it. Now her wish is to make dresses. However, for sewing, specific equipments are necessary. This is why she has bought hand machine and measuring and cutting equipments. Students, now I'm going to discuss these questions. First question is, how can a fine stitch be created? Here is the answer. Through practice, a fine stitch can be created. I'm repeating, through practice, a fine stitch can be created. Now question number B. How can running stitches be made? Explain. I'm repeating the question, how can running stitches be made? You have to explain. Running stitch is the easiest stitch. When the threaded needle is inserted into the cloth and the small stitches go up and down, these stitches are known as running stitches. The stitches should be almost same in size. Running stitch embroidery can be made on Nokshikatha, cushion covers, sofa back, etc. as well as on dresses. So where we can use running stitch, we can use running stitch on Nokshikatha, cushion cover, sofa bag and on dresses. Now come to question number C. The question is, describe the machine Nirupama has bought. I'm repeating, describe the machine Nirupama has bought. Nirupama has bought hand machine for sewing. Among different sewing equipment, sewing machine is the most important. Sewing machines are larger and more expensive compared to the other sewing equipments. There are three types of sewing machines. First one, hand machine, second one, foot machine, and third one, electric machine. Nirupama has bought a hand machine and measuring and cutting equipments after learning sewing. Hand machines do not require electricity. Hand sewing is done by holding the cloth with left hand while spinning the handle with right hand. Also, compared to the other machines, hand machine is portable, inexpensive and requires low maintenance. Because of its simplicity, Nirupama has bought the hand sewing machine. So from this answer we come to know that Nirupama has bought a hand machine because it is less expensive, portable and low maintenance. Okay, now come to question number D. How can Nirupama enhance the quality of sewing and gain success? Give your opinion. So you have to give your opinion that how Nirupama enhance the quality of sewing and gain success. Students, I have provided the answer here and you, with the help of your text, you can write the answer or you can copy this answer also. Nirupama can enhance the quality of sewing and gain success through using the essential sewing equipments. Any type of nice fitted dress needs accurate measurement of the body of that dress wearer. For measurement, the necessary equipments are measuring tape, ruler, yardstick, etc. For cutting cloth threads and ends of cloths, one needs medium-sized scissors, small scissors, picking shears, respectively. In addition to that, pencil, tailoring, chalk, carbon paper, etc. are needed for drawing the design of dresses and marking necessary places. Likewise, after sewing the dress and before cutting off different parts, ironing and pressing are needed to keep the shape of dresses smart. In addition to finish making dress, different sizes of needles, colorful of threads, frames, etc. are essential. As mentioned in the STEM, Nirupama has bought only the measuring and cutting equipments. However, to enhance the quality of sewing and gain success, the above mentioned equipments are essential as well. Students, I hope you have understood the answer of creative question 1. Students, now I'm going to discuss about creative question answer 2. So let's begin. Here is our CQ2 and I'm going to read the STEM. Anila has made a frock. She has made design on the dress by stitching with thread. Thus, the design looks excellent. However, within a few days, the stitches of the dress are coming out. Our first question is, which stitch is made temporarily? I'm repeating, which stitch is made temporarily. Here is our answer, patching is made temporarily. So our answer will be patching is made temporarily. Number B, why are drawing equipments necessary? Explain. I'm repeating, why are drawing equipments necessary? You have to explain. To draw design, mark different places or measurement on the dress. Drawing equipments are necessary. For example, pencils, tailoring chalks, carbon papers, colorful threads, etc. Now, question number C. Which stitch would have made of sewing of Anila's dress stronger? Explain. So you have to explain the reason. Okay, if Anila used running stitch, the sewing of the dress would have been stronger. We can make different types of stitches with thread and needle on cloth. Running stitch is the easiest stitch in the art of embroidery. Through this stitch, embroidery can be done on noshikata, cushion covers, sofa back, etc. as well as usual dress. When threaded needle enters into the drawn lines of the cloth going up and down, creating small stitches. The stitches are called running stitches. The stitches should be almost same in size. Now we'll discuss about question number D. Due to working in the proper way, Anila's design has become beautiful. Give your logic in favor of the statement. So you have to give your logic that Anila's design has become beautiful due to working in the proper way. Due to working in the proper way, Anila's design has become beautiful. The statement is logical. Any ordinary dress can be made beautiful and attractive with thread and needle. Anila has made a dress out of a cloth bought from market. She has made designs on the dress with threads in the appropriate places by using stitches. She is careful while pulling the thread so that the cloth does not shrink. Besides, she has properly stitched according to the design. Therefore, the design on the dress made by Anila has become excellent due to following the correct method. Students, I hope you have understood both the answers of these questions, and now I am providing your homework. Your homework will be creative question answer C from 2. I am repeating, your homework will be creative question answer C from 2. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 19 and homework number is also 19, and the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.